Hi everybody, welcome back to Tan Predicts, and I'm back with yet another reading. Today I am reading for 15th June to 30th June. We're already sitting in the middle of June. So let's see how June is going to end or how it's going to progress. And these are the messages. Guys, remember, a general reading. This is not a specific reading, so might or might not resonate with you. Not all messages might resonate with you. A few messages might resonate with you. Always remember to do what you think is right in your situation. These are just guidances just to put you on the right path. I feel whoever's listening to this is missing their kids. They're a little away from you're a little away from your kids, or not in the same city, not in the same state, and you're really wondering how they are feeling, or you really want to nurture them, really want to be with them, and you're right now far away from them, and you really want to reach out. So this is could be for a few of you, one of you, or probably whoever's going to listen to this reading later on. Might just get this feeling that yes, you were at that particular day, or whenever you did I did upload this reading, you were missing your child or children. You're far away from your kids, and you really want to be with them, and this pandemic situation is separating you two, and you're really away from your family, and especially children is what I want to say again. Pay attention to your dreams. So your dreams are telling you something. Dreams are like little clues that tell us what we are doing is right, what we're doing is wrong. They also whatever thinking you do in the whole day, they also come in form of dreams. Maybe sometimes your answers lie in your dreams. Sometimes your spirit guides are there in your dreams. Sometimes your loved ones who have passed away want to give you a message. So if you have this is for people who have very vivid dreams, and so, if you remember your message and you remember clearly who said what and what was the message delivered to you, remember that and try to apply it to your real life situation, because dreams sometimes put us on the right path. Remember that, guys. Vulnerability. So, feeling vulnerable right now. Maybe I feel you think that your job is not really secure. I get a feeling to whoever is listening to this. You know that your job is not secure, and you're feeling bad that you cannot do anything. Maybe it's just a feeling. Maybe nothing is going to happen. You're not going to be fired or something. But that worry is sitting, inside you, and it's worrying you quite a bit. So there is something about being vulnerable and something troubling you. Time management, not managing your time very well. I think right now you're required to manage your time so you can do things properly, you can put things into action. There's some kind of time management required from your side. If you're launching something, or even if you're looking for a new job, probably you've given yourself a time frame. I also feel a lot of you have given yourself a time frame, like I have to find a job in 3 months or 3 weeks, or I have to jump from one job to another, and you're not very happy with the position, or something a similar situation where time is important to you, and or probably there is a decision that you have to make in due course, or there is a time frame given to you, and you really don't know what is it, a yes or a no from your side. But I think there's a pressure of time on you, something, whatever you're doing, whatever situation you are in, because this is a general reading. It could be a lot of situations where time is a factor, very important factor, and somebody's putting pressure on you to make the decision, and it's very time bound. I feel you very time bound, and you're feeling all tied up because somebody's told you, give me an answer in so many days, or don't give me an answer, don't tell me you can't do this job. I want you to get this job done in 1 week, and you're really getting pressurized by that whole time thing, hanging on your head like a sword. Keep going. This card has come reversed. So if it says keep going, guys, I want you to pause for a moment, think what you want to do in the future. I really got that channel message. This is a time to pause for something and understand how you want to go about it, or how you want to mend the situation. What do you want to do with your plans? Do you want to take an alternate path, or there is an alternative, or anything that you need to right now pause and do your correction. So now, right now is the time. It could be a relationship situation also, where you need to alter your behavior, or you want somebody else to transform, or I think the only thing you can do right now is sit, pause, and think about the situation properly from your head. Don't make it a very hard situation, is what I get, and it needs proper planning. So don't be impulsive. Also, I think clearly and carefully is one of the things that you need to do right now. I'm going to take another deck. I did keep my decks inside, and I didn't remember to take them out, so that's why I'm just fumbling and trying to look for my decks. Wanted to celebrate something, that celebration is 7 days away. Or I get a seven number is very important for you, but right now it will. The things that that was supposed to happen today or tomorrow or day after, whenever you're listening to this reading, it will happen after 7 days from now onwards. Especially, it will involve three people, and there will be a celebration. It's not going to be a big celebration, but something very small to celebrate about. It will become a celebration, or I think you're going to plan with your friends, and it's going to be a very spontaneous friends plan, and that's how you're going to meet your friends. It's not going to be very planned. A lot of you missing appreciation from the person you loved, or it could be appreciation in the job. You thinking that your role is diminishing in the job, probably the people won't require you. So I think a lot of you are feeling that this is a COVID situation, and I think I'm going to lose my job. Probably they don't value me. I don't value add anything. So these are your fears that are coming out. Probably the situation is as such. Nobody's probably told you to go or resign, but that's what you feel. I think more than a person wanting to get appreciated in a relationship, it's more about a job situation and worrying about losing your job. That's what I get. Emotions are really going to play a role right now, and your emotions are very high. Your intuition is very high, guys. I don't know, a lot of you, I think, or some of you, few of you are affected by the moon, and there is something that is making you very emotional right now. Even if it needs a very normal reaction, I think you're getting very emotional, and you're going to react like that, and a lot of emotions are going to come into play. So just be careful, guys. Even if it's a job situation, don't get too emotional about it. I think you need to have your rationale right, and you have to have a heart to heart talk about where things are going wrong, or how can you rescue the situation. And don't let your emotions come in. If your emotions are going to come in, you're going to do something very impulsive, and that's going to be very risky, not good for you. I don't want you guys to lose your job suddenly because you became emotional in the situation, and you didn't think it through, and suddenly gave a reaction which wasn't needed. Like I said, not making the right strategy. Maybe you need to sit back, relax, and strategize properly. Something needs proper planning. So this is not a situation where it is just dealt with the heart, and your heart can deal with the situation. It's a situation which needs proper planning, and being perfect to the T, and making some kind of a strategy, some kind of pros, cons, or ticking the right boxes, all the boxes, checking all the boxes. So this situation requires a lot of planning and strategizing. So guys, just don't jump into anything impulsively, or say anything that will not be good for you. 11 days or 11 months. I get 11 number as a wish number. That's what I always say. You might be raising your vibration. Your vibration is getting higher. You might be put on a spiritual path. You might also be wanting to know the answers to what is my life path, what is my purpose here on earth. A lot of times when we get 11 number, we get 1111 or repeating numbers. There's a synchronicity. So that's the time, we we need to raise our vibrations. Also, I think it's a time, psychics see this number a lot. I'm a psychic, and I see this number a lot. I also call it the wish number, and you can wish wisely. That's what I always say. Don't waste your wish on something very frivolous, or anything like that. So whenever you see this number 1111, please wish for something wisely. And it is a number that wants to tell you, that raise your vibration right now, and what is your spiritual path, or what is your journey. I'm going to keep these cards. Let me see what are the other cards that I want to take out. I'm going to use another deck. Let me see what the cards are saying. Just shuffling that. You're going to feel like a queen. Sorry, that just got off my hand. There was the energy. You're going to feel like a queen in 3 months. Somebody's going to make you feel like a queen. Number three is very good for you, and somebody's going to call you like, you're my empress, you're my princess, or something queen like. Or you're also going to buy a diamond or something precious, which is going to make you feel very queen like sitting on a throne and having the world in your hand. It's also a good situation. I also get a good designation. And if you're closer to water, I don't know why, I feel you're going to buy a new home right now. If you live closer to water, you might be investing in your new home. Also wanting to go out somewhere, fed up of being at home, and That's what I get. I get you're going to travel. Maybe you want to travel, you're going to travel. In a few months, if the situation opens up, COVID situation, you're going to travel. You're also going to travel somewhere near where there's a waterfall, is what I get. I get a lot of water here. I could be talking to water signs, but yes, you're going to either move closer to water, or you really want to be somewhere near, there's a waterfall, or something like a similar situation to that. I think you'll be traveling. That's what I just said, and that's what it is. You're going to be traveling soon, and I'm going to say in a month or so, if things open up, you're going to be traveling. Either you're going to make travel plans which will be beneficial for the work you're doing, the kind of work you're doing, or for the kind of business you are in. I also feel surveying a land, maybe opening a business or serving some kind of a property. Guys, this month I think you're going to do a little bit survey of your own, and you will be seeing what land you want to buy or what property you want to buy. Maybe you want to build a factory there, so it is something similar to that situation. Number dates like 17, 18, 22nd, 28th are very important for you if you want to buy a land, or you're thinking about opening your new office, and you are seeing a place for your new office. Good card for lovers. In 6 months, you're going to get together in the sense you're going to be more committed to each other. Especially fire signs. I don't know why I wanted to say fire signs, but fire signs, you will be committed to each other. You're going to take this relationship to the next level. Be someone more than just friends, or just start. If you just started seeing the person, so I think there's going to be a commitment from like a commitment, or probably a ring, or in words, that I want you to marry me, or I want you, I want to take this relationship further. And I feel, just you're just not a friend, you're more than a friend. So I feel all these situations will be coming up, and it will happen in 6 months. Somebody is going to give you a job offer. I get a job offer, and if it could be a love situation also, probably more than the love situation, I get a job offer here. You're not going to be really happy with the job. It's going to come in 4 weeks or 4 months. There is something less in the job. It's either the designation or the money, or you don't think it's I think it's also like a contract. So you're just wondering that they are asking me to do this job just for 6 months. It's a contract. Will it really be helpful? Yes, it's going to make me stable for 6 months. Should I wait for another job that's going to be not just a contract, but like a proper employee? So that's what I get. Somebody's going to offer you something, not really happy, waiting for the right job offer, and this is a situation where you are not really feeling happy, also not feeling that your hard work has paid off. I also get that situation. So recently you were worrying sick about something. I don't know what, but I think that's over because it's come reversed. It's been 10 days, 10 months, something that started on, 10th day of a month, or something to do with a 10 number. I also get a 1 number. If you're dealing with a 1 number, you're a 1 number, or probably in January something happened. It did trouble you. It did give you sleepless nights, but I think you're over that right now, and that situation is not there anymore. So whatever the situation was that gave you sleepless nights, also get a back problem. You had a back problem, and that did keep you up also. So if your finances or relationship or business didn't keep you up, it was a back problem that did really keep you up for consecutive 9 days or 10 days, is what I get. Somebody is going to offer you love, but it will take time. If you're waiting for someone to express themselves, guys, is going to take time. Girls, is going to take time. I feel somebody with alphabet A is going to enter your life. Somebody with alphabet C is going to enter your life. With J, R, and M, those are just the channel alphabets that I got. So somebody is going to come soon into your life if you're not seeing anyone. Time to make wise decisions, guys. Like I said, you've not really, you cannot go with your heart in this situation. Like I said, you have to sit back, relax, strategize. You have to be wise. You have to put light on that situation, or see that situation closely, study it well, and then respond to it. Don't respond impulsively. Thinking taking that situation and studying it in detail is also what I get. And number 9 is going to be important for you. So whatever happens will happen on on when it's it adds up to a 9, or it's a number 9. Number 9 is going to be good for you. I also feel that some of you are not listening to people around you who are giving you advice, and the advice is good and you're just not accepting it. I think, guys, you need to listen to what other people are saying around you, and they are saying the right thing, and you're just dismissing it, that it doesn't really count as a advice. So I think you guys need to listen. This card came again. I shuffled it, guys. Really need to listen to people around you. Probably somebody saying something very important. It's a very important point and will help you. If your parents are telling you not to do something or to do something, please listen. And because this card has come twice, like I always say, which means that this message needs to be taken very seriously. Love is coming, like I said, soon. Love is going to come soon. It's going to hit you, the arrow of love. A lot of multiple arrows, 8 arrows, I'm sure. I get from the earth sign to the air sign, or air sign to the earth sign. That is going to be, where the communication is going to start, or where the relationship is going to start. So I get a earth and I get a air. So you two are going to be involved pretty soon. Or you're going to meet an air sign, or you're going to meet an earth sign. And it's going to be like, I don't know why I get this, but it's going to be love at first sight. I really get that you're not going to ask too many questions. The other person is not going to ask too many questions about you. Suddenly, it's just, you've just seen the person for probably a few minutes or hours or something, and you really fall in love with the person, or the person will really fall in love with you. Somebody is assessing the money situation, or is assessing the land. I get a lot of land here. So guys, if you're listening to this reading, I don't know who will make a land deal, but one of you, some of you, few of you will make a good land deal. It could also, I get a lot of industry. I get a factory, probably looking for a space or a place for a factory or an industry is what I get. Somebody's going to offer you something again, I said. If you wanted to go overseas, it will take time. Right now, it's not the right time. But I want to say, unleash your creativity. That's a channel message I get. You're not being creative in whatever you're doing, expressing your love or a job or any situation. You need to release your creativity. I don't know why I want to say it, but you're doing everything with too much, bookish knowledge, or the way it has to be done in a way, and not looking at the picture with fresh eyes. So there is a situation or anything that needs creativity, guys. I think you need to be more creative, and you're lacking creativity right now, and that's what needs to be done in this situation. And you really need to bring the creativity out. I don't know what craft you do, or you like writing or art or pottery or whatever, bracelet making or anything that needs you to be creative. Just be creative, guys. This came again, so that's the message again, guys. After shuffling, this came again, so I'm going to give you that message. One more message I want to give you. Worrying sick. This all these are coming twice in the reading. So something, it's a similar card came. So something was making you get up at night and cry, but I feel that situation is over. You address the situation. I don't want to say that that situation is still going on. It's happened. It's happened. It's done with, dusted with, and you're recovering from that situation. You're not crying anymore, because I do feel that you did stay up at night and you did cry, and it really hit you like a sword. The whole thing could be a heartbreak, could be deceit, something to do with that, and you were really, your heart was really paining. So that's what I get. Let me see alphabets. What alphabets can I give you, and do they make a word? Normally, when I take the alphabets, yeah, they do make a word, or whatever word I think is important for you. So alphabets: E, A, K, F, and E are important for you. Cafe. I want to say cafe. I felt cafe. Either you own a cafe, you want to own a a coffee shop, or also caffeine. Stay away from caffeine. I feel you're having a lot of coffee right now. Don't have too much coffee is one of the probably things I want to say. I also want to say the word after, though it doesn't form after. I want to say the word after. After something, something happened after something. So something was a result of some situation that happened. I want to say something happened after. Uh, you worried about paying the fee. I also get fee. I feel a lot of you are worried about paying your course fee or your kids' fee. That's the word that I get. And I also get the word fear. Though there's no R here, I don't know why I get the word fear. Probably you are operating out of fear, and you are not unleashing your creativity, and that's what you're keeping inside you. Um, Let me see what are the other words. That's what I think. I have a little charm. I'm not going to call it a charm, but this came in my hand. It's a horse. Maybe there's a lot of action that is required from you, and you need to put things into action right now. Though I did tell sit and understand things and put them into action that time. But yes, also a few of you will require to put things into action, and you this is a general reading, so you can understand what situation, what message fits. So thank you so much, guys. Yes, I shall give you your color also, lucky color. So the lucky color is white, blue, and black. No, sorry, white, blue, black, and pink. And there's a heart, and it's drained out of love. So there is a heart situation, guys. Not feeling the love or just had a heartbreak. That's what I feel. I also want to give you the starfish. I don't know why I feel that the starfish belongs in this reading. I don't know what it means. You can look up Google and see what starfish is. It a you know what does it connote? If you've just seen it in a in your dreams, or you just drew a starfish or something to do with that, so just check that out. So thank you so much, guys, for listening to my predictions, and I'll be back again with another prediction soon. This was the prediction for June, how June is going to be. I'll see if I can break the days and do a more detailed reading for one day each. I can club 5 days together or a week together and give you the prediction, and that will be more elaborate. So thank you so much, guys. Do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button, and do comment below. Thank you so much, guys.